shit slapping like dude did LeBron nuts. Orchard Lane tayo. Punta.
Hello there, it's Micah. So today we're at Club La Isabel. It's May 25, 2017 and start pa lang ng vacation namin. So we're starting it off right. Hi! Hi, Nay! Hi, Tski! Tski! Hi, Tata! Hawak!
Ano ba yan?
Sa'yo ba ito? So, pabalik na kami ulit sa room and mainit maglakad, joke. Medyo malayo yung room namin dun sa Aqua Park, doon. So, lakad lang onte. Pero, okay lang kasi medyo malapit kami dun sa isang pool. Tapos, yung isa kaninang pool nga, yung kumintang pool is New Infinity Pool nila. And, maraming tao dun. So, balik kami, tapos magpapalit lang for swimming na. And, baka aqua park na rin kami. I know the dress is common, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were
Kita pala tayo kahit pa party.
I just want attention. So, change outfit. Swimming time! Pwede lang magdala ng food. Yeah, we can. So, since sarado yung isang pool, kumintang pool naman. We're on our way to the Aqua Park na! Yay! Going back to our room na. So, how was the Aqua Park? Well, super sulit ng 1 hour. Buti na lang may mga lifeguard, may mga kuyas. Kasi, mahirap siya. Mahirap kang tumawid from one side to another. Tapos papunta sa slides, ganon. Pero super worth it. Plus, nakakapagod talaga siya. Ramdam mo yung pawis mo habang lalakad ka doon, ganyan. May life vest, so super safe naman siya. Kasi yung lake is super lalim. Like 30 to 30 feet something. Tapos may briefing siya before ka sumalang dun sa Aqua Park. Another thing, free yung paddleboard ding. Doon sa may inflatable. So, you can use it. Going inside the room na.